Hello and welcome to this new video where we're gonna learn which are the most important mistakes not to make when you are in Italy, when you are a foreigner who wants to speak Italian very well and not to be recognized as a typical foreigner who speaks broken Italian. So there are many mistakes, of course, that you can make speaking the Italian language, but these are those that are very common amongst people who start learning Italian, and that will immediately make people understand, recognize that you don't speak Italian well. So let's fix them. Let's understand what they are and how to correctly pronounce these words. So the first word that we're gonna find out, that we're gonna learn, is perfetto. The common mistake that foreigners make is they say perfetto, perfetto, which is wrong. Obviously, they remember the word perfect in English and they say perfetto, but the correct word in Italian is perfetto, perfetto, without the C, okay, double T and without the C, perfetto. So let's read a few sentences that will help you recognize this sound and this word and repeat them with me if you will while I read them. Questo dipinto è perfetto. This painting is perfect. Il tuo italiano è quasi perfetto. Your Italian is almost perfect. Abbiamo trovato il regalo perfetto per te. We found the perfect gift for you. Did you know that the word regalo means gift? Il tempo oggi è perfetto per una passeggiata. The weather today is perfect for a walk. Il tempo oggi è perfetto per una passeggiata. La tua spiegazione è stata perfetta. Your explanation was perfect. Number 6. Questo ristorante è perfetto per una cena romantica. This restaurant is perfect for a romantic dinner. La combinazione di colori è perfetta. The color combination is perfect. Il suo piano era perfetto, ma qualcosa è andato storto. Allora, evidentemente, forse non era proprio così perfetto. His plan was perfect, but something went wrong. Evidently, it wasn't that perfect in the end. Questa pizza è cotta alla perfezione. Okay, we see a slight variation of the word. Perfezione is perfection. This pizza is cooked to perfection. And then il finale del film era semplicemente perfetto. The ending of the movie was simply perfect. Okay, I hope now you understand and you memorized that the correct word is perfetto, perfetta, if it's an adjective and you want to indicate something that has a feminine word, because in Italian you differentiate between masculine and feminine, and so you use the correct ending of the adjectives based on this, okay? But simply when you want to say perfect, okay, then you say perfetto, okay? So let's move to the mistake number 2, which foreigners make in Italy, and it's the word grazie. They say grazie instead of saying grazie, which means, of course, thank you. So it is wrong to say grazie. Remember that there's an e, an e at the end, so it's grazie. Grazie. Repeat it with me. Grazie. Let's read some sentences to memorize it. Grazie per il tuo aiuto. Thank you for your help. Ti ringrazio di cuore. Grazie. I sincerely thank you. Thanks. Grazie mille per il regalo. Thank you so much for the gift. Non dovevi, ma grazie lo stesso. You didn't have to, but thanks anyway. Grazie per avermi invitato alla festa. Thanks for inviting me to the party. Sei stato molto gentile. Grazie. You have been very kind. Thank you. Grazie per il consiglio. Ne farò tesoro. Thanks for the advice. I'll treasure it. Treasure it. Farne tesoro. Ne farò tesoro. I'll treasure it. Very interesting sentence. Grazie per avermi ascoltato. Thanks for listening to me. Grazie per avermi ascoltato. Grazie per la splendida serata. Thanks for the wonderful evening. Tutto è andato bene. Grazie a te. Everything went well thanks to you. Okay, so mistake number 2 was saying grazie instead of grazie. Mistake number 1 was saying perfetto instead of perfetto. If you just fix even those two small mistakes, you're gonna sound much, much better to Italians. But now let's move to mistake number 3. Some people say when they are hot, they say just molto caldo, molto caldo. In Italian you say ho caldo, oppure fa caldo, ok? Ho caldo. It's hot, I'm hot. So let's read some sentences. Oggi fa davvero caldo. Today is really hot. This is another way of saying that it's hot, okay? Not just molto caldo, molto caldo. Oggi fa davvero caldo. Fa caldo. Verbo fare, to, do. This is how we say it. This is what we use. Ho caldo. Puoi aprire la finestra? I'm hot. Can you open the window? Okay, not I'm hot like I'm hot, a hot shot. I'm cool. Ho caldo. I'm hot. I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling okay, the temperature is high. Dopo aver corso, ho caldo e sono sudato. After running, I'm hot and sweaty. Dopo aver corso, ho caldo e sono sudato. Se hai caldo, puoi toglierti la giacca. If you're hot, you can take off your jacket. Mi sento accaldato. Penso di aver bisogno di acqua. I feel overheated. I think I need some water. Mi sento accaldato. Overheated. Mi sento, I feel. Accaldato. Overheated. Durante l'estate ho sempre caldo. During summer I'm always hot. È normale avere caldo dopo un allenamento intensivo. It's normal to feel hot after an intense workout. È normale avere caldo. Verbo avere, to have. Avere caldo. Ho caldo. Number 8. Ho caldo. Andiamo a prendere un gelato. I'm hot. Let's go get an ice cream. Gelato, ice cream. I'm sure you know that. Se hai caldo, accendiamo il ventilatore. If you are hot, we'll turn on the fan. Se hai caldo, accendiamo il ventilatore. Ho caldo, preferisco stare all'ombra. I'm hot. I'd rather stay in the shade. Okay, so this was common mistake number 3. And now you know how to say that it's hot, that you are hot. Ho caldo. Sono accaldato. I'm overheated. Se hai caldo, if you are hot. Sento caldo, okay? Same thing. And now let's move to common mistake number 4, okay? This is funny because in English you say I'm excited for something, but in Italian, when you say sono eccitato, it means, it has a double meaning. It means something else in a sexual way, okay? So you can replace that with sono emozionato. Okay, sono eccitato gives you this double meaning that you don't need. So don't say sono eccitato to say I'm excited, say sono emozionato. Let's see some sentences. Sono emozionato per il concerto di stasera. I'm excited for tonight's concert. Sono emozionato. Number 2. Sono molto emozionato per il mio primo giorno di lavoro. I'm very excited for my first day at work. Mi sento emozionato all'idea di partire per il viaggio. I feel excited about going on the trip. Sono emozionato di rivedere i miei amici dopo tanto tempo. I'm excited to see my friends again after so long. Ho una grande emozione nel cuore per questo evento. I have a great emotion in my heart for this event. Mi sento emozionato per la sorpresa che ti ho preparato. I feel excited about the surprise I prepared for you. Sono davvero emozionato per il mio matrimonio. I'm really excited for my wedding. Quando ho visto il mio libro pubblicato, ero emozionato. When I saw my book published, I was excited. Ok, I was taken. Number 9. Ogni volta che torno in Italia mi sento emozionato. Every time I return to Italy, I feel excited. Sono emozionato per questa nuova avventura. I'm excited for this new adventure. So, this was the mistake number 4. To say I'm excited, you say sono emozionato. You don't say sono eccitato, which has a sexual connotation. So don't make this mistake. Let's recap the mistakes that we saw today. Perfetto is perfetto. Grazie is grazie. Molto caldo, you say ho caldo o fa caldo. And number 4, sono eccitato. I'm excited. You say sono emozionato. These are the correct ways of saying these words. Repeat them again if you need. Re-listen to this video and repeat the sentences with me, and you will sound just like a native when you go to Italy. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment with an example sentence using one or all of these corrections that we learned today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.